Alright guys, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where we want nothing more than to make cocktails simple for you. Now if you're like me, been working at home and can't wait to get that breath of fresh air at the end of the day and go for a walk outside in the sunset, well wait, you can't do that because it gets dark at 5 o'clock. But where doesn't it get dark at 5 o'clock anymore? Hawaii. And one of my favorite drinks that I had when I was in Hawaii was called the Blue Hawaii. And that's what I'm going to show you guys how to make this week. Real simple, real easy, real delicious. So let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to need. Vodka, white rum, sweet and sour mix, blue Curacao, and pineapple juice. So to start, we're going to take our vodka and our rum, 3/4 of a shot, and put that in our shaker. We're going to follow that with 1 shot of sweet and sour mix and 1 1/2 shots of pineapple juice. After we add the ice, we're going to bang the lid on and give it a good shake. And now we're going to pour this for part 1 of our drink into the glass. Now, to start part 2, we are going to be using the exact same ingredients: vodka, white rum, 1 shot sweet and sour mix, and 1 1/2 shots of pineapple juice. And then we are going to add 1/2 shot of blue Curacao. After we bang the lid on, give it a good shake for about 15 seconds. Have a cheeky little taste. And you'll notice as we pour this into our glass, it has a beautiful blue color. And there we have it. 2 blue Hawaiis. Now, I know you're probably thinking, Nate, one's blue, one's not. Well, we're gonna fix that right now. So what I'm gonna do is just drizzle it on the top. Doing this, you can see the blue sinking to the bottom, which I just think makes a way more aesthetic drink. And now to garnish our drink today, we are going to put a few mint leaves in there, add a few straws, and a couple cool umbrellas to really take us to the beach. Alright, and there we have the Blue Hawaii. We made it 2 different ways. One where you shake the blue Curacao in the drink, and one where you drizzle it in. And I think it looks a lot cooler this way, so this is my preferred way to make it. Now the difference between the Blue Hawaii and the Blue Hawaiian is the addition of only 1 ingredient, and that is coconut cream. The reason I don't like that is the coconut cream makes it taste a lot like a pina colada, and the idea of a blue pina colada, it just doesn't sit well with me. So, alright guys, that's it. That's how we make the Blue Hawaii cocktail. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it yourself. I hope you guys comment down below with your pictures of you making these drinks that we make here at Nate's Happy Hour Bar. Feel free to leave down below any requests that you might want to learn how to make. Feel free to subscribe with that little red button somewhere down here and give it the old thumbs up. Aloha.